Hello students, let's start the internal structure of the palea thallus or anatomical features of the palea thallus. So as you know, in previous video we discussed about the external morphology of palea. So in the internal structure of palea thallus, it is having at the left side figure you have to see in the thallus of the palea. So in that thallus, the midrib, at the midrib it is thick and at the side it will be thin, see? And they are having the two wings are present, and at the midrib at dorsal side there are rhizoids are present. If we take the section of the thallus, this shows the upper epidermis, lower epidermis, and at the middle part there is the thick-walled cells, and at the lower epidermis there are rhizoids are present. So in the internal structure of the palea thallus shows the following cellular regions: upper epidermis, middle parenchymatous region, and lower epidermis. So upper epidermis, it is upper limiting layer. This will be uniseriate and single layer of cell. So this upper epidermis, it is made by the only single layer of the cells. These cells are comparatively larger and they are arranged compactly. These cells of the epidermis contains the chloroplast. So due to this chloroplast, they will do the functions of the photosynthesis, and also it is the play a role of the protection. So this is upper epidermis. Upper epidermis, it is made by the uniseriate or single layered cells. Cells are larger and they will be compactly arranged. These epidermal cells or upper epidermal cells contains the chloroplast. So they can do the functions of the photosynthesis as well as protection. Then the middle part of the transverse sections or middle part of the thallus shows the parenchyma region. So parenchyma region is very broad region, and it is the region sandwiches between the two epidermis, upper epidermis and lower epidermis, and in between the parenchyma region is present. So it is parenchymatous cells are present in this region. So parenchymatous cells are very thin walled, polygonal shape, and they are compactly arranged without the intercellular spaces. Also some parenchymatous cells sparse the chloroplast. So also these cells contains or they play the role of the photosynthesis as well as storage functions. So this is about the middle parenchyma region. Middle parenchyma region, it is made by the parenchymatous cells. These parenchymatous cells are very thin walled, polygonal shapes, and compactly arranged without the intercellular spaces. So some chloroplasts are also present in this region, so they can play the role of the photosynthesis as well as storage. Then third part is the lower part is the lower epidermis. So it is lower limiting layer, and it is also a uniseriate single layer of cells. These cells are larger, compactly arranged. These cells gives rise the rhizoids. So they can protective as well as absorptive in functions. So this is about lower epidermis. It is similar like the upper epidermis, but the difference is regarding the rhizoids. At the lower epidermis, the lower epidermal cell give rise the rhizoids, and it functions as a protection as well as absorption. So this is regarding the internal structure of the palea thallus. It is very simple structure, and the questions maybe ask for the short notes. So first of all you have to draw the entire thallus structure as well as transverse section of thallus, and in that thallus the three major parts. One is upper epidermis, middle parenchyma regions, and lower epidermis. This upper epidermis, it is upper limiting layer, uniseriate, single layered cells. Cells are larger and compact layering. They do functions of protection and photosynthesis. Middle parenchyma region, it is broad region. It is made by the parenchymatous cells. The cells are thin-walled, polygonal and compactly arranged without intercellular spaces. Then the functions of the middle parenchyma region is the photosynthesis and storage. Lower epidermis, it is also a lower limiting layer. It is uniseriate, single layer cell. Cells are larger, compactly arranged, and they give rise a rhizoids. So they can function as a protection as well as absorption. So this is internal structure of the